Hello, good morning. I am Teacher Ruby from SUGOI. Can you hear me? Okay. Can you see me? Okay, good. What is your name? Yamamoto Katsuasaki? Katsuasaki. Can I call you Katsu? Your nickname. Okay. Katsu, how old are you? You're 22 years old. How are you? How are you today? Did you take your breakfast? Okay, good. Now, Katsu, let's start our lesson for today. Our lesson for today is about subject-verb agreement. Is that okay? Okay, here we go. Subject-verb agreement. Okay? Can you read it? Can you read? Say it to me. Subject-verb agreement. Okay. What is a subject-verb agreement? Okay? Get it? Yes. A subject that the main person or animal, object, or thing in the sentence. Very good. Next, more definitions. One, one more time. What is subject-verb agreement? Can you read it, Katsu? Yes. Subject-verb agreement means your subject and a verb must match or agree in numbers. Like if you have a singular subject, then you must use singular verb. Like the dog barks at every sound he hears. The dog barks at every sound he hears. The dogs bark at every sound they hear. Yes. Next example. A can of lima beans sits on the shelf. Can you read it? Yes. A can of lima beans sits on the shelf. Can you tell me which is the subject on this sentence? Yes, the subject is can. Good job. And the verb is sits. You're getting great. Prepositional phrase, it identifies or describes the location. A can of lima beans sits on the shelf. Or you can say, a can sits on the shelves. Yes. Now you understand this one. Okay. Next explanation is that the verb is sits agrees with the subject can, not with beans. Yes, very good. Next, can you read it? Okay. The women who went to the meeting were bored. Now, Katsu, Tell me, where is your subject here? Woman. Yes, very good. And where is your verb? Yes, you're getting great. Good job. And here we have the dependent clause. Dependent clause means that cannot be a sentence because it does not have a complete thought or just an extra information. Okay? The verb were agrees with the subject woman, not with the meeting. Yes, you can remove the who went to the meeting, right? Very good. Or you can say, yes, the women were bored. Good job. Now, we've done studying the subject-verb agreement. You're getting great. Very good. This is Teacher Ruby from SUGOI. Nice to see you. Bye. Bye for now. Take care.
Hi everyone, we hope you enjoyed that video. For more English lessons, please check our website down below. And to stay tuned for more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon!